Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube? But the idea of being on camera makes you want to crawl under your bed? What if I told you that you can grow a YouTube channel, make income, passive income at that, and build a brand without ever showing your face? Yep, no selfies, no makeup, no awkward, hey guys, moments, just your voice or even someone else's voice and a strategy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why now is the perfect time to start a faceless channel. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step roadmap to get started, even if you're starting from scratch or you don't know what the heck you're doing. Stick with me because in a few minutes, I'll show you how you can make videos without filming a single clip yourself and even automate the entire process. So, why are Faces YouTube channels blowing up right now? And certainly they are because there's low competition and there's high demand. While everyone is trying to be the next influencer, faceless creators are quietly racking up views and cash behind the scenes. Let me tell you about that. They're scalable, you can produce content faster, and you can outsource the content much easier. You're not tied to your personality, you protect your privacy. No one knows what you look like behind the scenes. You're not recognized at the grocery store. You have total freedom. You can make serious income with Faces YouTube channels. Some Faces channels make thousands of dollars per month through ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital products, all without ever appearing on camera. And you can also use a faceless channel to build your confidence, especially if you're an introvert like myself. That's what I did with my travel channel over at True Travel Treasures. And now I have four channels, two of which I'm on camera as you see me now, and the other two, which is the travel channel and another channel, are faceless. Yes, it does give you a lot more confidence to know that you're making money online while you sleep. It makes you want to build an empire. I am telling you because I know this for a fact. And get this, many people like me are running multiple channels all at once. And how do you actually do it? Do it. Really, how do you do it? Let me break it down step by step because I have the experience. All right. Here's your step by step beginner's roadmap to launching a successful YouTube channel, which is faceless. Faceless. Step 1, choose your niche. Pick a topic that you won't get bored with and that people are actually searching for. Here are a few faces friendly niches. Travel facts and tips, like my Faces travel channel, True Travel Treasures. Celebrity news, celebrity gossip, people love that stuff. Motivation and mindset. I have a channel like that, but it's not faceless. True crime or mystery. Health and wellness, like my Nature's Healing Corner. That's one of my newest channel that I just got started, but it's not monetized yet. But I'm all into natural healing, so that's why I started that channel. Start with something that you like or that is popular. Finance or investing. You don't have to be a finance guru. There's research, AI tools and technical technology. You can start with that. Well, here's a hot topic. A hot tip rather. Use tools like vidIQ to research high interest but low competition keywords. That should get you started to choosing your niche. Narration over stock video is another way to create your faceless channel. Screen recordings or tutorials, AI generated animations, and what else? Let's see. Slideshow storytelling is another way to present your faces YouTube channels, or even text on screen, YouTube shorts. There's so many ways. Pick a style that fits your personality and your time commitment. Step three, write your script. Yes, script your videos. Even if you're not speaking, you still have to work on your script. Whether it's voiceover or AI generated script, your script is everything. It keeps your content engaging, clear, and binge worthy. Not sure where to start? Use tools like ChatGPT. Hi, that's me. I use ChatGPT to help me outline and even draft my full script, and then I will tweak it. You can record the voiceover or not. Yes, you can. That's step four. You can record your own voice. InVideo allows you to do that. You can hire a voiceover on Fiverr, or you can use AI voices from tools, as I said, from in video, 11 Labs, Lovo, or Descript. I use InVideo. That's the tool that I use. I will have the link in the description. Your voice would be more personal, of course. The AI voice, though, is fast and anonymous. Nobody's going to know who's talking. Either way, both will work. Step five, edit your video. Here's where your visuals come in. You can use stock footage, free stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay, or story blocks. You can use B roll with captions, but InVideo offers you a whole variety of stock footages. You can use screen recordings, or tools like Canva or CapCut to edit your videos. Editing, here's an editing tip. You can add background music, you can add captions and jump cuts to keep it moving faster and more engaging. And here's the real kicker, you can automate 80% of this. Coming up in a moment, I'll show you how to outsource or automate almost everything so you can focus on growing your channel, not grinding and getting burnt out. But first, once you start uploading videos and getting traction on your videos, how do you make money? I know that's the question. Here are four main income streams. AdSense revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you qualify for monetization on the YouTube channel, and you start making money from AdSense. You can make money from affiliate links by promoting products in your niche where you earn a commission. You can start with Amazon Associates because that's how I started. You can make money with digital products, sell ebooks, guides, templates, or courses. You can create those using Canva, but everything is going to come in time. You can do sponsorships. Brands will pay you for shout outs or integration, even if you have a Faceless channel. I had someone contact me today, and I've been back and forth with them about sponsorship. But here's a bonus tip, start building an email list early so you can monetize your audience on and off the YouTube platform. Now for the good stuff, automation. You can outsource your script writing with ChatGPT or with a freelance writer. I'm a freelance writer, so I do most of mine with the help of ChatGPT. With AI or Fiverr talent, you can do voiceovers or just in video. In video does everything, scripting, voice, everything. For editing, using affordable editors or tools like Pictory or videos. Now for the thumbnails, and this is very important. You can use Canva or you can use a freelance designer, but vidIQ has just rolled out an amazing thumbnail generator. I did a whole video on it. You can check out the playlist or the link will be in the description. Want to go full autopilot, automated, so you don't do much? There are even agencies that handle everything for you. But when you are just starting out, try to do everything yourself until you know what works for you and to stay on your budget. Now here are my final thoughts. Why should you start a Faces YouTube channel right now? Because the barrier of entry is low, the opportunity is huge, and you don't need to be an expert excuse me, to begin. You just need a niche, a strategy, and consistency. And I can help you with that. I sure can. By having you download my free video planning guide and viral video cheat sheet below. The link in the description. It includes tips on how to plan your videos and how to go viral. I went viral more than once on my channel. And if you're serious about scaling fast, check out my two paid ebooks. One is the top secrets before starting your Faces channel, YouTube channel, and the other one is YouTube Beginner Creator Starter Kit to avoid costly mistakes that I made. These will shortcut your path to success. Yes, it will. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I've got more Faces channel secrets coming your way. You don't need to be seen to be heard. Get started now because YouTube is becoming quite competitive. A lot of people are finding out that this is a way to make money. And so you want to be there before they are because you don't want to compete with so many people. Well, that's it for now. I'm your host, Cheryl, saying bye for now. But until next time, see you soon. And you take care and go ahead and start that channel. Don't wait. Mm-mm, don't. Start the channel or you will regret it. Thank you for listening. Bye now. Oh, sorry, I forgot one more thing before you go. To support the channel, if you feel compelled to do so, please send me a super thanks as a donation to help me produce more valuable content like this one. It takes a lot of time, a lot of hard work, a lot of hours and perseverance to create these kinds of videos, but I still love doing it anyways. You will find the super thanks button below the video, right there below the video. And once you send a super thanks to me, your comments, all your comments will be highlighted so you can feel extra special. I'll make sure of that and I'll make sure to respond. Thanks in advance for doing so. Bye for now, and this time it is really bye. Until the next video, take care.